Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We would like to welcome everyone to the virtual signing of the collaborative partnership agreement between Click College Maldives and Alpha Business School Sri Lanka for the purpose of teaching ACCA subjects in Maldives. The purpose of the partnership is to strengthen the ACCA stream of Click College and to improve the overall course delivery and student experience. We trust with the knowledge and track record of Alpha and Click College that this will be a fruitful partnership for both the students and the ACCA community. On behalf of Alpha Business School, Mr. Shehan Fernando, Director of Alpha Business School, will sign the agreement. On behalf of Click College, Dr. Naushad Mohammed, President of Click College, will be signing the agreement. I now request them to proceed with the signing. Thank you, Dr. Naushad. Next, I would like to request Mr. Shehan to share a few words about the agreement.
It is indeed a pleasure to collaborate with Click College Maldives. This is something that we have been longing for quite some time. At the same time, I must thank Dr. Naushad and all the staff members and lecturers for collaborating in this agreement. And I sincerely hope this will be a fruitful long-term relationship where Click College together with Alpha Business School, both of us will benefit. And more importantly, the final objective of ours is to make sure that the student population in Maldives will benefit from basically this collaborative arrangement. So I sincerely hope that this venture will go from strength to strength, and I am guaranteed certain that this will be a success overall.
Thank you, Mr. I would like to request Dr. Naushad to share a few words about the agreement.
Thank you, Lisa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Accountants can play a major role towards helping businesses to recover and build resilience. Accountants can advise and guide businesses to make informed decisions in surviving through the pandemic. Whether to reopen the business, whether to take the loan finance, how to manage the working capital with scenario planning. In other words, accountants have a major role in crunching numbers and leading the way for business recovery. Studies show that the future accountant should be more knowledgeable to work in the digitalization of accounting practice, should be able to work mobile with cloud-based applications. The bottom line, there is a huge demand for professional accountants throughout the globe. During the COVID pandemic, our students at Click College are mostly studying online. And studying ACCA online is even more stressful according to our students. We have come to know that students do struggle sometimes in getting through ACCA exams, especially for higher level papers. From this year onwards, any student who is studying at Click College at any level for ACCA will get more value than any other college in Maldives. For this reason, this year we are partnering with Alpha Business School Sri Lanka for teaching high-level papers of ACCA at Click College through visiting lecturers. I would like to thank Alpha Business School and the team for collaborating with us on this partnership agreement, and we do foresee a fruitful partnership for the coming years. Key lecturers include Mr. Shehan Fernando, Dr. Shan Jayasekara, and Prasanna Balachandran. Mr. Shehan Fernando is the CEO of Alpha Business School Sri Lanka, who has produced 2 ACCA World Prize winners in performance management and taxation, produced pass rates above global average, also lectures in University of West Scotland and University of London programs. Dr. Shan Jayasekara is also an experienced lecturer and very well known in Sri Lanka for teaching ACCA. Mr. Prasanna produced many prize winners in ACCA, CMA, and AAT. Through this partnership, Mr. Shehan will be teaching ACCA Applied Skills Level F5 Performance Management this semester. Dr. Shan will be teaching Strategic Business Leader for Professional Level, and Mr. Prasanna will be teaching ACCA Applied Skills Level F8 Audit and Assurance. Furthermore, visiting lecturers will be teaching selected topics of F1, F2, and F3. The bottom line is wherever we need experienced lecturers' help from our friendly neighborhood Sri Lanka, we will be getting help from Alpha Business School, and we thank you again for this agreement. This partnership will definitely help to expand our team of lecturers with very experienced foreign lecturers who have achieved global awards for students' performance in ACCA exams. With this partnership, we will now have experienced lecturers to teach professional level of ACCA papers too. I wish to inform all students who are studying for ACCA higher level papers that the visiting lecturers will be available to teach full-time classes as regular lecturers for the full semester. Of course, based on demand, we will provide separate revision sessions for most, if not all, the papers for both Click College students and students coming from outside, with target to prepare Maldivian students for ACCA exam. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Naushad. That concludes today's ceremony. We look forward to work in collaboration with Alpha Business School to deliver excellent results. Thank you and wish you all a lovely evening ahead.